Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share with you something a little different. Something that I do every day, and that's cleaning my home. I know it sounds mundane, but I promise you, it's not just about dusting and vacuuming. It's a process that helps me stay motivated and organized. So the first thing I do is make sure I have my cleaning supplies ready. I like to use eco-friendly products as much as possible. They not only do a great job, but also make me feel good about doing my part for the environment. Next, I start with the room that needs the most attention, usually the kitchen. It's the heart of the home, and it's important to keep it clean and hygienic. I tackle the dishes, wipe down the counters, and mop the floor. It's a bit of a workout, but it's so satisfying to see the transformation. After the kitchen, I move to the living room. This is where we spend a lot of our time, so it needs regular cleaning. I dust the furniture, vacuum the carpet, and straighten up any clutter. It's amazing how a clean living room can instantly lift my mood. Finally, I clean the bedrooms and bathrooms. It's not the most fun part of cleaning, but it's necessary. Fresh sheets and a clean bathroom can make a world of difference to your day. And that's it. That's how I clean my home. It might seem like a lot of work, but it's all about creating a routine and sticking to it. I hope this gives you some motivation to tackle your own cleaning tasks. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.